Hey guys, this is Remy and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a Zaful haul video. I spent about 14,000 rupees on Zaful.com, so let's just see what all we got and are they worth the price. And do excuse the background, all the clothes are lying around here, so yeah, don't mind that. Before I proceed with the showing of all the items and mentioning their prices and everything, I want to tell you guys the description box contains everything you want to know, the links as well as the size that I got along with the prices. Although I'm going to try and mention the prices right around here or here because I don't remember them, so I'm going to have to do it while editing. So yeah, I'm going to pop it up right here or here, and yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. First one that I got is this tank top kind of dress, and it's completely bodycon. It's not till knee, which I'm kind of uncomfortable with because I have very thick thighs, but other than that, it's a beautiful tank top, tank dress, and its material is really good. It's kind of really soft and comfortable. Strip lining thing going on both sides, which is kind of in trend right now. So yeah, this is how it is, and you can pair it with high knee boots or denim jacket like I did in previous video, I guess, and or you can go with a leather jacket as well along with short boots, and yeah, this is gonna look so fab. The next item that I got is this strap Cami dress. You can call it a Cami dress, and this is a mini dress. It's not super long. Front is kind of like a normal shirt dress, but at the back it's so adorable, and as you guys can see, it has this very deep back line, and then you get this bow kind of thing for the back. You can just wear silicone tapes with these kind of dresses because the back is entirely, you know, open. Even with this bow kind of thing, it's not gonna hide everything, and the best thing about it is that you can adjust its length according to the front opening you need. The next item is this bold red dress, and also has this bow kind of front look, and it's not for busty people though. So if you are bustier than me, you should not get this one because it's gonna show a lot of stuff from here. But if you are slim and even slimmer than me, then it's perfect for you. And at the back it has this elastic kind of thing, so you don't really need a zipper or side zipper for this dress. It just has this elastic kind of thing, and the back and the front has all these buttons till the bottom, and it's kind of looks really vintagey and, you know, more like a very 60s 70s kind of dress, and it looks really good. The next item that I got is this dress, and also this one also looks pretty plain from the front, and it has this V neckline, and it has two straps for a change, and these both straps are adjustable, so that is good. And it has this polka dot print on it, and it has buttons till the bottom as well, and it's below my knee, so it's very long, like a calf length dress. At the back it has these straps. I don't know what's the use of it, but I think it's to tighten your bust if it's loose, because this one is loose on me. The most favorite item that I got is this black dungaree dress, and it's in this denim fabric, and it's super stiff and rough and tough, and it's adorable. It's like made for me, and it just fits so perfectly. It has pockets in the front as well, so that is good, and it's completely black, and it has all these you know, buckles and stuff which you get in dungaree. So you can pair it with nice casual shoes or boots, nice crop top, or a full t-shirt, or like a half sleeve t-shirt and stuff, and that's what I did because I just love this one. This is how the top looks like. As you guys can clearly see, this part is quite loose on me. In the video you can clearly see that, and it has a zipper and everything, but this side is really weirdly loose, like this under armhole stuff, like the side seam from this side is weirdly loose on me. I don't know why, although it fits really nice on the waist. It has this long strap on both sides of its side seams to tie up in a bow or any kind of tie up you want to do with the front. So this is how the crop top is, and then you get a long pant palazzo kind of pant to wear with this crop top. So talking about the stripes, the next item is this palazzo pant, and again it has stripes, and this one is completely out of my comfort zone. I really don't go for colorful pants or colorful anything for the bottom, but I went for this one and because I really like the color, and it has this elastic at the top. It also has this strap to tie up in the front or at the back. One is also a little bit sheer. It's not completely opaque or transparent proof, but it is a bit sheer, and you have to wear something inside if you're gonna go out in the daytime, but for the night time it's completely fine. Next item is this pair of legging, and this one is just like perfect for your body. Even if you have like a fat thigh or like belly fat, then too you can get it because it's high waist, and along with that it has a very nice elastic band. Like the waistband is really broad, which is gonna hide all your tummy inside, and it just looks amazing. Although it's not gonna make you look like a Victoria's Secret model, but it's gonna hide some of your fat inside. And yeah, it has this mesh net styling going on the thighs. It's gonna be on thighs and lower thighs, upper thighs and lower thighs if you wear it high waist. Last clothing piece that I got from Zaful is this boyfriend jeans, and it's amazingly ribbed. And although my mom doesn't like me wearing ribbed clothes, and she just makes this face that you can't ignore but just laugh at. So yeah, this is the ripped jeans. It's not stretchy at all. So this one is my favorite jeans right now because it's so comfortable. It's not fitting to your thighs. That's why it's called boyfriend jeans, duh. You can style it with a proper t-shirt, leather jacket, a sweater, scarf and whatnot. You can style it any way you want. Next item is the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is a ribbed knit kind of a t-shirt, tank top tee dress, and super bodyconish, but I can't wear it. Although if you are super slim and have no fat, no matter no fat at all, then you can wear it. But I do have my side fat and my thigh fat, and it doesn't look good with all those stuff. So yeah, I decided to wear it as a top dress, over my skirt, or you can wear it over your shorts or your jeans, and it's gonna look cool like I'm wearing right now. It has all these buttons which can pop up anytime if you are super busty. So yeah, I would suggest you guys to buy it only if you are super slim, slimmer than me. Next item is this one that I'm wearing right now. This is a bomber jacket, and I absolutely love it. It's more like a windproof jacket because it has this, I don't know if you can hear it, but this is the feel of the jacket. See, and this is why I just loved it, because when you zip it up, there is no way that you'll feel the cold out there. There's all the patches on it as well, at the front, at the back, at the sleeves and stuff, and I absolutely love it. The color is also very in these days. So yeah, this is really cute and a really nice and a warm bomber jacket. There is one last piece, guys, which I do not possess right now because my mom not accidentally wore it to work, and she didn't knew that I was gonna shoot this video today. So yeah, you guys can just see how it looks on me. This is a proper fur jacket, and it's in brown color. I absolutely love it because it's so freaking warm, and maybe that's the reason my mom wore it to work for some reason, and she felt like it was perfect for her, and she just wore it. And yeah, you can't blame your mom, right? You can keep it open, for that it's okay, but when you have to zip it up, then the fur around the zipper comes in between, so you can't just, okay, you're just gonna put it up and just zip it up. That's a little bit difficult because you're gonna have to have a lot of patience to zip it up and just pull the zipper up, because a lot of fur is gonna come in between the zipper teeth and the zipper pull. Last two items are not clothing items but more like accessories items. thongs, and these are the belts that I got, and these are some fancy belts. I tell you guys, these are some really fancy belts that you're not gonna get anywhere here, but you can get it on other websites like Shein, Romwe and stuff, because they all have similar stuff. See, you get 2 buckles, and these kind of belts are perfect if you are gonna wear it over some long loose shirt or a long sweater or anything long that is oversized, and you need to tie up around the waist to, you know, style it. Then for that, this is perfect. Although this one goes for the jeans as well, I had to make 1 or 2 more holes in this to fit it around my waist, because it was more like for the, you know, the waist of your jeans. The accessory that I got is also another belt, and it's this one. I am disappointed with this belt because you just can't wear it anywhere, not on your waist, not on your bust waist, not on your waist, you know your jeans waist. You can't wear it anywhere because I don't know if it's defaulted or it's just this piece gone wrong or something like that. But as you guys can see, this one, this hook that you put it inside the belt hole, it's supposed to be longer than the main frame, right? But this one is short, so that's why it does not hold the belt in, and this just comes out all the time. Try and get this thing corrected from some cobbler or anyone who can correct this thing, because I really loved how this hula hoops, I mean the ring looks. So yeah, I hope you guys like this haul video where I spent, and to be very honest, I feel like my items are really worth the price that I spent on them, and I absolutely love the entire items that I got, except for a few stuff that was defaulted or that was defected, or I don't know what to call them. But yeah, that's what that is, and you can't really shop everything without paying some, you know, loss. I spent about 14,000, so yeah, I think Zaful is worth it if you want to spend some good amount, and if you want some good quality items from there, it's good. And just like Shein or Romwe, the products are almost the same, and the products quality is also the same. So I think I would buy from them more often. Well, that was today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, which I would really appreciate. Press that notification bell button, which is just beside the subscribe button, so that you guys never miss any videos from me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.